Hey it girls, hey it gals. Hey it girls, hey it gals. So we're here back with another video. Today we're going to be doing 6 stitch braids for the birthday girl, okay? Here I'm showing you the process. I already had it parted off. I already did the first braid. Y'all really make sure y'all take that time to really part with the precision. It's very important, and please don't be afraid to use a lot of product. That is the perk and point to stitch braids. You have to use a lot of product. The product that I recommend is Shine Jam, and I also recently been using Instant Edge Control. I'll go ahead and link those down at the bottom for you guys. I'm not going to try to talk the whole entire video, but just to give you guys a background, what is Itsdahji? What is this channel about? It's literally about bringing back confidence, showing you guys little tips and tricks on hair care, on how I take care of my personal hair and how I take care of my clients' hair. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let this video play through and let y'all we're gonna get into it. And y'all just watch the hair goddess at work, because at the end, just wait. All right, my it girls and my it gals, she has now been hairified. Boom. Okay, y'all see the stitches? Y'all see it? Okay. She absolutely loved it. We ended up deciding to do it with 2 buns, but she could wear it either or, down, around. Yes. Y'all, she's been hairified by my it girls, by my it gals.